Good morning, class 5. Welcome to our social study class. So, we already completed the chapter Globe, Map and Art, isn't it? Yes. Today, we will discuss on objective type question answers on this chapter. Before that, let us remember the main points on this chapter. Okay? So, globe is a miniature model of our planet Earth. Globe is a miniature model of our planet Earth. Our Earth is not fully round. It is slightly flat at the two poles, and an imaginary line passes through the center of the globe. This is called axis of the Earth. Map is visual. Map is a visual representation of the Earth's surface drawn on a flat base. And you know, 2/3 of our Earth, this is very important point, 2/3 of our Earth is covered with water and rest 1/3 part is land. Land masses on the Earth is called continents, and the large water body that separated the continents are called oceans. There are 7 continents in all. These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest and Antarctica is the smallest continent in the world. There are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic and Indian. 5 oceans. Among them, Pacific is the biggest and Antarctic is the smallest. Antarctic Ocean is also called Southern Ocean. Latitudes are imaginary circular circles which running from east to west, and longitudes are imaginary line running from north to south pole. There are 2 movements of our Earth. 2 movements. Rotation. What is rotation? That is spinning movement of Earth on its own axis, and revolution, the movement of the Earth on its own path. Rotation takes 24 hours. One rotation takes 24 hours, which causes day and night, and one revolution takes 365 days and 6 hours, which causes season change. There are mainly 4 seasons all over the world: winter, summer, autumn and spring. Each season lasts for about 3 months. As the Earth is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degrees to the plane of Earth's orbit, the whole Earth don't experience same season at the same time. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa, and opposite. Okay, so that's all of the main points of our chapter. Now we will go through the objective type question answers. Okay. Chapter 9, Globe, Map and Earth. Give one word answer for each. Number 1, miniature scale model of our planet. The answer is globe. Imaginary line passes through the center of the Earth. Answer, axis. German mapmaker who made the earliest globe around 1490. Martin Behaim. Question number 4. The largest continent of the world. Answer, Asia. 5. As Europe and Asia lies on one landmass, they are often referred to as this: Eurasia. Question number 6. India and its neighboring countries are collectively called this: Indian subcontinent. Question number 7. This canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, Suez Canal. This continent located both in northern and southern hemisphere, Africa. It is an island continent. It is Australia. Answer. This continent is also called White Continent, Antarctica. the research station in Antarctica set up by India? Answer, Dakshin, Gangotri and Maitri. The biggest and deepest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. It is an S-shaped ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. The only ocean named after a country. Answer, Indian Ocean. Number 15 question. Any location on earth can be described using these lines. Answer, latitudes and longitudes. Question number 16. Two movements of earth, rotation and revolution. Question number 17. Fixed path on which the earth moves around the sun. Answer, orbit. Next, fill in the blanks. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, meaning dash, sphere. Question number 2. Our earth is dash in shape and slightly dash at the two poles. Answers are round and flat. Question number 3. Dash of the earth is covered with water and about dash of the earth is land. 2/3, 1/3. Okay. Question number 4. Half of the world's population lives in dash Asia. Answer. There are dash continents and dash ocean in all on our planet Earth. 7 and 5. 7 continents, 5 ocean. Dash is the second largest continent. Answer is Africa. The dash sea separates Africa from the continent Europe. Answer is Mediterranean. The largest desert dash and the longest river dash both are found in Africa. Answer, Sahara and Nile. The southern part of North America is called dash Central America. Answer. Water bodies smaller than ocean are called dash sea. Axis of earth is tilted at an angle of dash to the plane of the earth's orbit. Axis of earth is tilted at an angle of dash to the plane of the earth's orbit, 66.5 degree. It takes dash to complete a rotation and dash day to complete a revolution. Answer, 24 hours and 365 and 1/4 day. Question number 13. The rotation of the earth causes dash and the revolution of the earth causes dash, day and night seasons. Question number 14. The sun's rays are direct during the dash. Answer, summer. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is dash in the southern hemisphere, winter. Answer. Winds and ocean currents change direction because of dash. Answer is rotation. And now I'll give you some homework. Just as I gave you before, it is write true for the right statement and false for the wrong statement. And I am giving you some 1 to 12. There are 12 such questions. You have to write down here wrong here, true here, true or false. Okay. So the first question is, the USA is in South America. You should write here true or false. Full, TRUE true or FALSE false. Next, in the North and South Pole, duration of day and night is for 6 months. Next, on June 21st, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. The Pacific Ocean is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. Next, the Arctic Ocean surrounds the white continent of Antarctica. Location of the earth can be described using latitude and longitude. Christopher Columbus discovered South America. Great Barrier Reef is an important tourist attraction in Australia. Europe is located in southern hemisphere. The floor of the oceans is made of tall mountains. The Southern Ocean is a frozen ocean. Axis, latitudes, longitudes, all are imaginary lines. So these all are the questions. You should write true or false. Next day I'll give you the correct answers. Then you make it correct. Okay. So that's all for today's class, and till then, bye.